Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to add password to password manager, how to manually add it. Now let's say you want to manually add the password to your password manager on OpenGX. The next first thing you need to do is click on OpenGX icon at the top left corner and then you click on settings. You can also use alternative and plus P, which is your keyboard shortcut. And once you're here, make sure it's on privacy and security. Scroll down till you see advanced. Click on advanced and then the first option you have is password manager. Click on it. These are your passwords. Now if you're saving passwords to appear, you want to add to it. There are two ways you can add: by importing passwords. You want to import passwords, let the CSV file that you want to import, or you can just manually click on add, put in the site name, the username, the password. Make sure you're saving the current password for the site. Put a note to remind you of something and then click on save. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.